Hello everyone. In this video, we will look at the installation process and how to use OxyFlow 5D oxygen concentrator effectively. BPL oxygen concentrator OxyFlow 5D provides up to 5 liters per minute continuous flow with oxygen concentration up to 93%. Unpacking the oxygen concentrator. Carefully take out oxygen concentrator and all other items from the carton. Check for any physical damage to the oxygen concentrator. If damage is evident, please notify the BPL call center via toll-free number 1800-425-2355. The standard accessories are adult and pediatric nasal cannula, nebulizer kit, fuses, user manual, humidifier bottles, cartridge and HEPA filters are pre-loaded in the factory. Safety notes before use of an oxygen concentrator. Place an oxygen concentrator in a room in such a way that all sides are at least 10 cm away from the walls, furniture, or any other obstructions. Do not place the unit in a confined area. Apply brakes on wheels while in use. Oxygen concentrator should not be used in a dusty environment. Please use a voltage stabilizer where the electrical source and power voltage are not under normal range or in case of power supply fluctuations. Do not plug oxygen concentrator into loose power socket. Do not place any object on top of the concentrator. Never block air openings of the unit or place them on a soft surface, such as bed or couch where the air openings may be blocked. Rest the concentrator for 30 minutes after continuous usage of 8 hours. Please refer user manual for detailed device usage and patient safety instructions. After unboxing and knowing safety measures, caregivers can prepare to use oxygen concentrators. Place the oxygen concentrator near to patient. OxyFlow 5D has dual outlet flow with separate humidifier bottle separated through bacterial filter. Take out humidifier bottles and fill with distilled water. If distilled water not available, then use RO water. User should always monitor the water level in humidifier. Water in humidifier needs to change every day. Before refilling, clean humidifier with liquid detergent and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Starting the oxygen concentrator. Insert the power cord plug into the electrical outlet. Set the power switch to the on position to switch on the unit. Display will initialize and welcome BEL BPL message will flash. Machine will start performing the self-tests with status message flashing on the LCD. After completion of warm-up, the machine will display in process along with other timers and status message. To set the desired flow rate of supplemental oxygen, turn the flow meter adjustment knob until the ball inside the flow meter's center position on the flow line number prescribed by the physician. The concentrator is now ready for use. Connect nasal cannula to the oxygen outlet and the other end to the patient. To stop the oxygen therapy, take off the nasal oxygen cannula from the oxygen outlet first, turn off the power switch and then cut off the power source. BPL oxygen concentrators has nebulization function which can be used if doctors advised. Disclaimer. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.